Hi, this is Kayla with 5Features, and today I am at Springdale High School, and I'm going to introduce you to Hercules. I actually got to name him today, so that was a really cool experience. I'm going to introduce you to him as well as some of the students over here in the Engineering and Architecture Academy as well as the IT Academy. We're going to show you some of the work that they're doing with our local corporate partners.
We are the Business and Information Technology, and in this academy we offer students with a variety of classes in the business area and technology.
You know, we started the program because giving back to the community is really important to Walmart. It's really part of our culture, and the function of the program is really to take our youth and invest in them.
So one of the unique things about the Springdale IT Academy is that these kids are learning things in high school that a lot of students don't have the opportunity to learn until they're in their second or third year of college.
I wouldn't have had any of these opportunities if the IT Academy had not came to school to talk about everything that they offer for us, especially coming from parents who didn't go to college.
At least 2 or 3 guys that really work at Walmart that came from this program, and I get a lot of feedback from the leadership and the managers there of how advanced they are and compared to some of the other students and people that they take in from colleges.
I do feel prepared to go on to college and follow a career in business and IT.
Okay, so I started at the IT Academy right when it was being founded. About 10 years ago, I started my senior year, and I worked my entire senior year, and then they gave me the opportunity and asked if I would continue through college.
I am an NCWIT winner this year, and what that means is that they have seen the potential and the aspirations and technology that I have. With that, I have also had an interview with Tyson for an internship, and I got the job. I am in the IT Security Engineering support team, and I have been working with them after school.
The opportunity to come and give back to students is incredible, and I find that really they learn more from the students, and they come back talking about things that they hadn't even considered.
I'm really excited that I came to Springdale High School because many schools did not have an IT Academy, and if I did not come here, I wouldn't have all of these opportunities that I have now.
I chose the Engineering Academy because I really like the process of designing and just kind of going through the mechanics of how things work. I'm with the Tyson labeling group, so we work with other machines that put the labels on and like go around the conveyor belt. So what I've been doing mainly is working on the PCs that they use, the Sigma PCs, and so I'll re-image that. The first day I was a little iffy about it because I didn't know anyone and it was new, but the more I go, I love it. I love my team that I work with, and it's a really good experience.
I chose engineering because I like robotics, and I really just like engineering. I knew I wanted to be an engineer, but I didn't know which one at the time when I started. I'm involved with the mentorship at a different school at J.O. Kelly, but I do a lot of robotics just here at the high school. That was what really pulled me in the beginning, and that's what really got my interest.
And I chose the Engineering Architect Academy because when I was younger, I had started experimenting with building things, and I just thought the Engineering Academy would take me farther. So I wrote up this grant because it kind of reminded me when I was starting out. I had gotten the chance to go to a STEM conference, and so just by going around, we saw different types of careers that we could go into. We did different projects, and it was a whole day event, and that just kind of sparked interest, and that made me write this grant so I could give these kids kind of the same experience that I did.
So my job is the director of the Manufacturing Automation Center. We call it TMAC, and one of the charters of TMAC is to provide inspiration. We want to be able to work with the local community schools, the school district, and go to the schools, work with the robot teams, and really try to encourage people in STEM-related fields, and robot competitions is an excellent example of that.
It's because of the community that I've been able to kind of expand like what I wanted to do, and so now that with all these opportunities I can sign up for internships, getting more involved in the community is probably like the best option right now. So I think we get a lot of opportunities to get involved.
I feel like it's preparing me for college and my career like very well. It just kind of gives me insight of how things will work, and it gives me an idea of what I would like to do in the future and how that would play out. And
honestly, I think one of the things that Tyson is really wanting to communicate to the communities is there are job opportunities, there are careers that can be had in this area in Northwest Arkansas that are doing high-tech things like robots and IT-related items and manufacturing. It's really important to this area that we keep people from this area, in this area, doing the types of jobs that we need to be successful.
We are proud to present the Inspire Award to Team 9879, Root -1.
We're Root -1, a First Tech Challenge team that's been together for 5 years. We won the Inspire Award at this year's Houston Championship, and we were invited to compete in First Global.
The reason this robotics team came into existence was because we had 2 professors from the University of Arkansas that were interested in starting competitive robotics here at the School of Innovation.
I had definitely hoped about doing something like this. I had went over to Springdale High School and saw their robotics team, and so I definitely knew that this was something that I wanted to do. I never knew we would end up winning the world championship.
So I wasn't really interested in technology or robotics at all, but they said they had positions if we were interested in community outreach. So that was what called me to the team.
We mentor students and first teams in our community and around the world, including first teams in Australia, Peru, and Turkey. This year, we're mentoring a new FLL team of students with autism. Our community service also includes creating engineering solutions for special needs children with mobility issues.
And the school's goal is to get everyone ready for college or career.
I think the biggest thing I've learned from this program is improving my communication skills, because while I've learned a lot of technical things, I think it's going to be really important for me in the real world to be able to communicate my ideas.
Our team begins each engineering design challenge by specifying requirements. Then, we move on to prototyping and physics-based conceptual design, and we finalize our designs with 3-dimensional CAD, and we try to be innovative with our control strategies.
Because the USA is one of the biggest countries in robotics, I think there's a lot expected from us, but I also think it shows what Arkansas and Springdale is actually doing for the United States, and that we are one of the growing tech hubs in the nation.
From the University of Arkansas, of course, we get our coaches, but also other professional advice from when we're constructing the robot. We have a lot of people there helping us with the programming and mechanical side, but also manufacturers in our area really carry this team. We're able to do some in-house fabrication in our school, but DNF equipment sales has been integral in helping us develop the robot that we take to competitions, just because we don't have the capabilities to manufacture big and precise parts here at our school.
After almost 5 years of robotics, we are more than just teammates. We help each other in our classes, and we support each other when planning for college. We have developed friendships that will last a lifetime.